everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you consider subscribing. If you like what you see here today, give it a thumbs up. Please share this with your friends and family, and I would love to read your comments after you get through watching this video. I am sharing with you now my primary bedroom. This is just a clip of me preparing my room for when I was gifted this rug that is now in my living room from Ruggable. I'm sharing with you now so that you can see how it's set up in this video, because I have rearranged my bed around that. This love seat you see here is now my office. The coffee table is back downstairs in the living room. The blue chair is in another bedroom. And then I have a 3-piece from my sectional up here in my room. The bed is now up against the wall where the mirror is, and you'll see where everything else is placed. I will be sharing it already decorated for fall instead of doing a decorate with me. And the colors that I've chosen were ivory, sage, and gray, and I absolutely love those neutral tones that I picked for this year. Here, this is just decorated for spring, but again, I'm just showing you what it looked like with the furniture, how it was laid out for spring. It is laid out differently, and if you're interested in seeing how I put it all together for fall, then just keep watching, and I want to thank you all for stopping by. So instead of showing a decorate with me, and I'm just getting off work, I thought I'd just show it to you all decorated. And the colors in this room that I set up for fall are ivory, gray, and off-white. My 2023 fall primary bedroom decorated for fall. so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.